What's up guys, it's your boy Kyle here, and yeah, sorry for not uploading yesterday because I'm doing my school homeworks, but this is the new game in Roblox, Call Horizons, the game, and I gained it yesterday and did pretty well. By the way, join the group in this. Join the group in this game and claim the code DON to get this seed. The DON for seed. It's limited OG code that who plays the Modern Horizon like one first day it will claim it, but you can still claim it. And yeah, it's a pretty cool. And I'm so tired. I'm so tired with the game in this platform. And yeah, so we're back. We're back in the brand new era. Grow Garden. We are officially back in the Grow Garden era, but modern version. Yes, I know. But a lot of you guys can really still don't know how to play this game. So I will tell you how to play this game. Let's go. But some of you know how to play this game, but we still don't know. Yeah, it's basically Grow Garden, you guys. Seed, sell them, and fast cook the crop. We go to the gears or gear shop in Grow Garden. Yeah. Sorry for Englishing, by the way, because I really don't know a lot of my favorite part in this game is the fun, because it can fling you far across the map. It can fling you across the map like this. Like this one. So this one. See, it's a funny and cute that it can fling you out across the map. Yeah, let me mute quickly because nobody's dying in my door. I'm in the room right now, and let me mute real quick. sorry for muting. And yeah, actually, in my own opinion, this game is pretty good. It can surpass all of the brain rots. And yeah, this is the new modern era of Gogaden, and we are officially back to the OG game before the brain rots appeared in this platform. Oh, sorry for muting. Let me know if if you want, if all of you want, I played a battle game like TSV or JJS or any battlegrounds game you can recommend to me. I'll play it. I'll upload it in YouTube, in my YouTube channel. So that's all. If you wanna subscribe, subscribe. If not, it's okay. Join us. So yeah, that's all. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. But like this video. And see you again tomorrow. Bye.